Bill, it's 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing hide and seek. Don't tag anyone, go in tree house and count. We're making a video. Don't tag anyone, don't tag anyone, don't tag anyone. We're making a video. We're making a video. Let's go, let's go.
4, 5, 6, 7. Bill, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm in, look.
It's laggy as heck.
Guys, I know a good spot we can do. It's really good.
Hey, over here, we have the camera.
Follow me, follow me.
The camera in the tree house.
It's gonna be on the second or third floor. The
Yeah,
lag is on.
It's somewhere. But look, I'll show you where it is.
Lag is unreal right now. You guys can tell.
So guys, follow me, follow me. You gotta stop that train. Okay, guys, wait for Cyan.
I'm waiting, boy. I'm waiting.
Come over here.
Dude,
over here.
this spot is already follow me. Over here, guys. Right here.
Up there.
So here's the thing. I got in.
I get to go out.
You gotta look up. Look up and push it down. Go to radar and look up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Okay? Now push yourself in.
You all can go with me.
Yeah, you guys can go. Come on. You guys can come. Guys, look up and down. Up and down. Up and down.
Oh, what the heck?
Up and down. Slowly.
Oh yeah, I get it.
Go over there. Come over here. The big spot.
I hear footsteps.
This is hide and seek tag. Get up. Get in our spot. He's going to show you. You're going to show how to get in here. You're going to show how to get in here. Dude, go.
I know what you're doing.
I see people.
Hi. You can't tag us. You have to tag us.
I'm not in a taxi.
Dude,
Yeah?
run.
That's funny. I'm stuck.
No.
Connected.
Gosh, no. You did this. No. We can't do anything. If we get out there, we're gonna. If you guys go right now, I'll send you without. Oh, fudge! Oh. I'm staying in my spot. I'm staying in my spot. Everyone, come down here. Come down here. They don't know the spot. Look up and down. Up and down.
I'm trying to get my hand unstuck. That's what I'm trying to do.
Do raise you. Oh no, you got it. Look up. What the is Blue doing? There's such people here trying to do it. Video. Party leave.
I can't listen to the weakest. What the heck is Blue doing?
I'm used to it now, though.
Guys, I would stay away from the extra, else he'll tag you. The lava monkey will come here because he knows where we are. Stay away.
Go right here. They can't see you right here.
Wow. I can't get in.
Dude, why do you have a sparkler on? R.I.P. You live. Boys, I'm a band. My band is we sound
19.
get them confused.
What do you know?
I'm a microwave.
He's a microwave. I swear, I'm going to name this video microwave. I'm not even kidding. I'm going to name this video.
YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm going to video. I'm here. I made it down here. I made it down here.
You suck.
This is so cool. How am I going to get up it? He did it. He did it.
I'm trying to get out.
Dude, run away.
I'm stuck.
Don't go there. Look, please.
Johnny, help!
I can't help
No,
you,
what
Bill.
is it?
Put
He's-
yourself out.
Head. Spot.
Put yourself out.
Dude.
Just pull up from the top.
I'll just go sit down and do it.
This is what happens when you play Gorilla Tag for 300 hours. Hey. I will make a 24-hour video live stream. I'm like, subscribers.
I can't get in.
R.I.P. Dude, you dead. You gotta look up and down when you get like when you squeeze down. When you squeeze down, look up and down. Okay? Try and go like this. You see the two walls? Go like this. See the two walls. Push down on the two walls. Microwave. Cold. We are not getting tagged. If blue stays there, then yes, we are.
They're in third floor on the shelf.
Dude, he's coming.
What?
Is my account.
I'm sus.
Dude, he's right there. The lava monkeys are coming. I heard them. Hey, lava monkeys, you coming? We're on the second floor. I'm in.
Oh yeah. Oh.
I see
Your butt is in my hair.
his butt is there. But you got that up.
I'm a microwave.
Go back. Dude, you better stay away from the edge. Lava monkey's coming.
No man, I'm a toaster.
Hi guys.
He's right there. Blue, he's right there. He was right there. Man. Ah! Hey, this is illegal, man. Get this guy.
Hey doggy.
We ain't telling you. Blue, stay away. Blue. Ow.
Tag him.
Hey, we're friends.
Hi dude.
I can't actually get in here.
Hey, Gnarly. You're gonna tag me, aren't you?
We all got in.
I can't trust that luck. You're kind of shady.
Purple.
I think I'm last monkey.
Fine. Tag me.
Oh, this is how you get. Charlie, I found a way to
Where's
get
the
the
other guy?
in here.
Where's the last guy?
What, Charlie?
I'm
Do you want to
not-
go into a private server and play hide and seek?
What we just
This
looked
is a
to.
private server.
Come on, let's go, Charlie.
No, you can't leave me like this. We're stuck in here. You know that, right?
You and this, we'll play hide and seek.
I can't. We're playing hide and seek right now.
Just play hide and seek, yeah. But let's go.
Oh my god.
Stay in this
I'm literally stuck.
I
I'm
can't-
literally stuck.
I can't get out. Man.
Purple, you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here. I'm
What we need to do is we're gonna leave Gorilla Tag. We're gonna leave Gorilla Tag and join back and put 4, 5, 6.
4, 5,
4, 5,
6.
6, 7.
4, 5, 7.
I got every one. Yeah.
Code. Can someone tell me what the code is? 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, thanks. Send it out so bad. 4, 5, 6, 7. What? Microwave. 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm here, guys. Purple's back. Guys, I'm back. Purple's back from the dead. Purple's back from the dead, and I'm going back in there.
Oh boy.
Hey, stop,
He's
dude.
chasing me.
Go. I'm going back in. I haven't learned anything from the past.
What the hell?
I haven't learned anything from the past. I haven't learned anything from the past. Guys, I'm still stuck here. Purple's still stuck. I haven't learned any lessons.
You want to see something real?
This is the end of the video. Goodbye.